So hello there, today I will show you how to make a circular array. So the first thing is, of course, we're going to delete our cube because everybody hates that thing, and we're going to add something where we can put it onto. Let's see, we're going to use this wonderful torus. It's round, there we go, that's probably working. Of course, we could always use curve, but of course the torus should be fine. So let's add something onto that. We're going to use this wonderful cube, make it a little bit smaller. There we go, move it to the side, there we go. And now we're gonna wonderfully do an array. There we go, we want an array, and the preset is it is set to offset, which we don't want. We want to make it an object offset. We want it to be based around this wonderful torus, so we're gonna make it, there we go, choose the torus, and look at that, it's getting bigger and bigger. It's not something we want to see. This is because we have changed the size, meaning we have to apply wonderfully all transformations. There we go, and well, nothing happens. It's because right now everything's on one spot, so we're gonna make it wonderful. We're gonna rotate it a little bit, and there we go. Done is our wonderful wheel with a circular array. Hope you liked it. Till next time.